everyone, my name's Allie, and welcome back to my channel, Mindful Living. Where is the summer gone? It's crazy to think that we're already in the last few weeks of summer here. If you're lucky like me and have been growing all summer long, your tomatoes and peppers are all ripening, making the last few weeks of summer so sweet. Make sure to stay tuned on my channel for my last few updates of my summer garden, but before I go ahead and show you guys that, I wanted to show you what I have in store for the fall season. Today on Mindful Living, I'm giving you guys a quick little sneak peek of what I have planned for my garden this fall. I have tons of new fall gardening and recipe videos coming, so make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can follow along and see what I'm growing this fall season in containers. So I started my seeds inside a couple weeks ago, about the beginning of August. Make sure to be checking when the frost date is in your area, because that will give you a good indicator of when to start your seeds for your fall garden. Produce like carrots, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, Swiss chard, kale, lettuce, turnips, beets, and many more actually thrive in cooler temperatures. Hardy vegetables like these tolerate frost pretty well, and they actually grow and taste even better with the cooler weather. You just want to make sure to be starting your plants at the correct time, and that is the most important thing when planting your fall garden. Make sure to pay attention to the seeds and what they tell you on the back for how long the plant will take to grow as well. Okay, let's get started with showing you guys what exactly I'm planting for fall. So I did pick up a couple new containers, as my other ones are all full right now with my tomatoes and peppers, which are pretty much ready and waiting to be plucked. So here is 2 containers that I purchased, and these are going to be used for my turnips. So here I'm just showing you guys the turnip seedlings. I started these inside about 2 weeks ago, and as you guys can see, I already transplanted them into their container and they're doing really well so far. It's growing quite fast, and I'm super excited to try growing turnips from seed. I have never done that before, so I'll be sure to keep you guys updated how they grow. Next, I have cauliflower here. I am growing 2 cauliflowers for the fall season. This is an early snowball cauliflower blend. Next, I'm going to be growing some Swiss chard. Swiss chard is such a delicious hearty vegetable. I have quite a few seedlings here and I have not yet transplanted them, so I'll be sure to show you guys that in another video, so stay tuned for that. Next, I'm just showing you guys my carrots. So here I have quite a few carrots growing in this big container. They're doing really well so far. And next, I'm moving on to beets. I absolutely love beets. They're such a great fall staple. You can do so much with them, and they are flourishing in this container right now. Beets are a root vegetable, so they actually grow beneath the soil, but you can still trim and eat the leafy greens that grow on the top of beets as well. Next here I am showing you guys my broccoli. So I just have 1 broccoli in this container. Broccoli will actually grow pretty big, so you really only want to have 1 per container. And next, moving on to my greens. I'm growing some spinach for fall. Spinach loves the cooler temperature, and that will make it taste a lot better too. And here is another batch of arugula that I'm doing. I absolutely love arugula, so I am regrowing this. And another batch of lettuce as well. So I have lots of lettuce growing here for the fall season. This is a mixture of different lettuce greens. And the last thing I am planting in my garden for the fall is Brussels sprouts. So I have 2 seedlings here. I'm just waiting to see which one is going to do better, and then I will be pulling the other seedling and we'll be growing 1 Brussels sprout plant in this container. So Brussels sprouts really do prefer cool weather and temperatures. If you try to grow them in warm summer temperatures, it will cause the sprouts to open, they won't taste right, and then it will be unsuitable for you to eat. So they definitely are a cool season crop that you only want to be planting in the really early spring or fall. Well, that's it for this video today. I hope if you guys enjoyed seeing this preview of what I will be growing in my container garden this fall, that you will leave me a like, a comment, or subscribe to my channel. Make sure to follow along as I show you how each of these plants grow over the next few months. As always, thanks for watching and see you all in my next video.